Today we're going to talk about why we must all become digital citizens. First up, let's talk about what digital citizenship is. Digital citizenship refers to the responsible use of technology by anyone who uses computers, the internet, and digital devices to engage with society on any level. It also applies to those who use the internet regularly and effectively. So why do we need to teach it? There's a big difference between good and bad digital citizenship. Let's start with the good. Good digital citizenship engages young students and shows them how to connect with one another, empathize with each other, and create lasting relationships through digital tools. Conversely, bad digital citizenship entails cyberbullying, irresponsible social media usage, and a general lack of knowledge about how to safely use the internet. However, we can resolve this in our schools. We can teach this within our schools and within our classrooms so that our students are good digital citizens. As you know, the world we live in today revolves around technology. It's here now, and it's also going to be there in the future. And our student success hinges on the ability for them to be adept in technology as we prepare them for college and for the workforce. Teaching digital citizenship equips students with the knowledge, skills, and resources to succeed as lifetime learners, and also helps them learn to engage within a digital environment with responsibility and confidence to develop as leaders who will leave meaningful impacts in the lives of others. There's 5 reasons we need to teach this in our classrooms. First one, digital literacy. This is going to empower students with the skills and understanding necessary to not only use the internet and technology to their benefit, but use it in the most effective ways to quickly find information and utilize the ever-expanding list of sites and means of communication at their disposal. Second, cyberbullying prevention. This is an increasing cause for concern for both teachers and students, and teaching students to engage respectfully online is important for its prevention. Third, online safety. Students are taught to understand and prioritize online safety and they feel confident to take charge of their digital lives and are less likely to fall victim to potential threats that await online. 4. Digital responsibility. Create awareness of how to navigate the potential threats of hacking, piracy, and viruses, as well as educating students on plagiarism and other forms of theft or inappropriate online conduct. 5th, digital health and wellness. Technology can be addictive, and that addiction can be detrimental to students' health. Encourage limiting online time and taking frequent breaks to stretch, eat, and hydrate. What is CIPA and E-rate? CIPA is a Children's Internet Protection Act. So school districts are required to have technology measures and policies in place that protect students from harmful materials, including those that are obscene and pornographic. This means that student internet access is filtered. Websites containing harmful content from inappropriate sites are attempted to be blocked. E-rate, this is a government created E-rates, and schools and libraries can apply for funds to connect students to 21st century technology. E-rate applicants must certify that their CIPA required internet safety policies provide for the education of students regarding appropriate online behavior, including interacting with other individuals on social networking sites, chat rooms, and regarding awareness and response. So how do we teach it? As you know, most grad programs do not prepare teachers for digital citizenship, as a requirement for their certification. So it's our responsibility as a district to equip our teachers with these skills. So we have used the Common Sense Educational Free Digital Citizenship curriculum, where the lessons are aligned with Common Core. We will provide 2 lessons per grade level. And then we're also using the strategy of define, create, and execute. So define, we're talking about the elements of digital citizenship you wish to incorporate into your curriculum. Create, construct a curriculum that highlights the themes you wish to teach. And then the last one, execute. So implementing this within our strategies that we already use in our classroom. Now, another strategy that we're going to implement in our schools is the READY strategy. READY, the first R stands for remind students to be mindful of what information and opinions they make public. The E stands for encouraging students to step away from their cell phones and or computer screens when hanging out with friends. A, accountability. D, demonstrating and modeling good citizenship to promote a culture of positive online use. And then Y, be a culture of yes when it comes to launching digital tools. This is our district's current parent-student acknowledgement form. All students and parents must sign off on this form before being able to use the network at our school district in any of our schools. And then the conclusion. So as the rate of technological advance continues to increase, the world as a whole is becoming more dependent on the internet for day-to-day activities. That can mean checking a bank account, purchasing a product, or simply keeping in touch with a friend. Regardless, the internet is packed with potential pitfalls that could catch many students off guard. Therefore, it's our responsibility as educators to ensure that our students are prepared for the 21st century and are good digital citizens as we send them off to college or the workforce. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and here are some of the references we used along the way within this presentation.